हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज आम सप्तम श्रेणी इंग्राजी बहीर द फिशरमैन एंड द जिनी विषय पढ़िबा। There live a poor fisherman with his wife and children in a hut near the sea. एकदा जड़े गरीब केउट निज स्त्री एवं पिलामानंक सहित समुद्र कूलरे एक छोट कुड़ियारे रहुथिले। एवरी डे ही यूज टू गो टू द सी एंड कैच फिश। से प्रत्येक दिन समुद्र को जाई माछ धरती। वन डे एज यूजुअल ही वेंट टू द सी। सबुदिन भली दिने से समुद्र को गले। ही थ्रू हिज नेट into the sea and when he pulled in out he felt it very heavy. से तांको जाल समुद्र मध्य को पकाइले एवं जेतेबेले से ताहाकू बाहर करी आनिले तांकू ताहा बहुत भारी लागिला। But there was no fish in it. से तांको जाल को बाहर करी आनिबा परे देखिले जे सेथिरे कोनोसी माछ नथिला। He saw a long of wood in the net. से जालरे एक काठ खंड पड़िथिबार देखिले। He felt sad. तापरे से टिके दुख अनुभव कले। He threw the next for the second time. से द्वितीय थर पई जाल पकाइले। This time he got a few shell and big stones. एथर से किछि सामुका एवं एक बड़ पत्थर पाइले। When he threw it for the third time he found it heavier. जेतेबेले से तृतीय थर चेष्टा कले जे तांकू बहुत भारी लागिला। दिस टाइम टू ही डिड नॉट सी एनी फिश इन इट बट ए बिग ब्रास जार विथ ए लीड। एथर मध्य से कोनोसी माछ पाइले नाही, किंतु से एथरक एक पित्तल कलसी पात्र पाइले। Taking the jar out of the net he opened it. से पात्र टिकू जालरू काढ़ी से ताकू खोलिले। A lot of smoke came out of it. Suddenly a genie appeared in the smoke. ता भितरू बहुत धुआं बाहरिला। हठात से धुआं भितरू एक जिनी ଦୃଶ୍ୟମାନ ହେଲା। On seeing the genie, he screamed. ସେ ଜିନିଟିକୁ ଦେଖି ଚିତ୍କାର କରି ଉଠିଲେ, I will kill you now, shouted the genie. ଜିନି କହିଲା, ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଏବେ ମାରିଦେବି। ତାପରେ why? asked the fisherman and said, I have not done you any harm. କାହିଁକି? କେଉଁଟ ଜଣକ ପଚାରିଲେ ଏବଂ କହିଲେ, ମୁଁ ତୁମର ତ କିଛି କ୍ଷତି କରିନାହିଁ, କାହିଁକି ତମେ ମୋତେ ମାରିବ? ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଡୁ ନଟ୍ କିଲ୍ ମି, ଦୟାକରି ମୋତେ ମାର ନାହିଁ। I was in the jar, ମୁଁ କଳସୀ ପାତ୍ର ଭିତରେ ବନ୍ଦୀ ଥିଲି। I was not free, ମୁଁ ମୁକ୍ତ ନଥିଲି। Now I am free, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୁଁ ମୁକ୍ତ ଅଛି। I will kill you and eat you up, said the genie. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ମାରିବି ଏବଂ ଖାଇଦେବି, ଜିନି କହିଲା। The fisherman was afraid of the genie. କେଉଁଟ ଜଣକ କ'ଣ କରିବେ ସେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିପାରୁନଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ଜିନି ଉପରେ ବହୁତ ସେ ଭୟଭୀତ ଥିଲେ। He did not know what to do. Suddenly he got a clever idea and said, all right, you can kill me, but I don't believe what you say. ହଠାତ୍ ସେ ଏକ ଚତୁର ବୁଦ୍ଧି ପାଞ୍ଚିଲେ ଏବଂ କହିଲେ, ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ମାରିପାରିବ, କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରୁନାହିଁ। ତୁମେ You are very big, ତୁମେ ଏତେ ବଡ଼। How could you came out of this jar? ତୁମେ କିପରି ଏହି କଳସୀ ପାତ୍ରରୁ ବାହାରି ପାରିଲ? He got a clever idea and said, all right, you can kill me. ସେ ତ ଏମିତି କହିଥିଲା, ଏତେ ବଡ଼ ଜିନି ହୋଇକି କେମିତି ବାହାରିଥିଲ? ତାପରେ he could you came out of this jar, କେମିତି ବାହାରିଲ ଏତେ ବଡ଼ ଜିନି ହୋଇକି କହୁଥିଲେ। The genie got angry, ତାପରେ ଜିନି ବହୁତ ରାଗିଗଲା। How dare you say I cannot come out of this jar? ତୁମର ସାହସ କେମିତି ହେଲା କହିବାକୁ ଯେ ମୁଁ ଏହି ପାତ୍ରରୁ ବାହାରି ପାରିବି ନାହିଁ? I can take any form, ମୁଁ କୌଣସି ବି ଆକାର ପ୍ରକାର ନେଇପାରିବି। I can take the form of an elephant or become ever a small ant, said the genie. ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ହାତୀ ରୂପ ନେଇପାରିବି କିମ୍ବା ଏକ ଛୋଟ ପିମ୍ପୁଡ଼ି ମଧ୍ୟ ହୋଇପାରିବି, ଜିନି କହିଲା। Is it so? ଏମିତି କଥା? Can you become an ant? said the fisherman. କ୍ଲେଭରଲି। ତୁମେ ଏକ ପିମ୍ପୁଡ଼ି ହୋଇପାରିବ କି? କେଉଁଟ ଜଣକ ଚତୁରତା ସହିତ କହିଲେ। Surely, said the genie, and immediately took the form of an ant and got into the jar again. से ଜିନିଟି ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ରୂପେ କହି ଜିନି କହିଲା ଏବଂ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଗୋଟେ ପିମ୍ପୁଡ଼ିର ଆକାର ନେଇ ପୁଣି ଥରେ ସେ ପାତ୍ର ଭିତରକୁ ଯେଉଁ କଳସୀ ପାତ୍ରରୁ ସେ ବାହାରିଥିଲା ପୁଣି ଥରେ ସେ କଳସୀ ପାତ୍ର ଭିତରକୁ ପଶିଗଲା। The fisherman immediately shut the jar tight and said with a grin, "Now I believe you story, my friend. You cannot come out anymore and kill me." କେଉଁଟ ଜଣକ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ପାତ୍ରଟିକୁ ଜୋରରେ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେଲେ ଏବଂ ଖୋଲା ହସ ହସି ସେ କହିଲେ, ଏବେ ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ତୁମ କାହାଣୀଟିକୁ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରୁଛି। ତୁମକୁ ଏବେ ମୁଁ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିପାରିଲି ମୋର ବନ୍ଧୁ। ତୁମେ ଆଉ ବାହାରକୁ ଆସିପାରିବ ନାହିଁ ଏବଂ ମୋତେ ମାରିପାରିବ ନାହିଁ। Then he threw the jar into the sea and returned home happily. ଏହାପରେ ସେ ପାତ୍ରଟିକୁ ସମୁଦ୍ର ମଧ୍ୟକୁ ଫୋପାଡ଼ି ଦେଲେ ଏବଂ ଖୁସିରେ ଘରକୁ ଫେରିଲେ। Comparison question. What are there in the story? Answer. A fisherman and a genie are there in the story. Question number 2. Where did the fisherman live? The fisherman lived in a hut near the sea. Question number 3. What did the fisherman do at the sea every day? Answer. The fisherman went to catch fish in the sea every day. What did the fisherman see in his net when he pulled it out third time? Answer. When the fisherman pulled his net for the third time, he found a big brass jar with a lid in his net. Question number 5. What did the fisherman do with the brass jar? The fisherman took the jar out of his net and opened it. Question number 6. What happened when he opened the lid of the brass jar? Answer. When the fisherman opened the jar, a lot of smoke came out of it and genie appeared. Question number 7. What did the genie say to the fisherman when he came out of the jar? Answer. After coming out of the jar, the genie said to the fisherman that I will kill you. Question number 8. What idea did the fisherman get to get rid of the genie? The fisherman said to the genie that he don't believe the genie and it is not possible for such a big genie to fit in that small jar. Question number 9. What form did the genie take to get into the jar again? Answer. The genie took the form of an ant to get into the jar again. Question number 10. What did the fisherman do when the genie got into the jar. When the genie got into the jar again, the fisherman closed the lid of the jar and said with a grin that he now believed the genie's story. Question number 11. What did he do the jar and the genie in the end? In the end, the fisherman threw the jar along with genie into the sea. Okay, thank you.